वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट फिलॉसफी के अंडर पियाजे, विगोस्की एंड कोलबर्ग थ्योरीज डिस्कस करेंगे। इसमें फर्स्ट थ्योरी है पियाजे थ्योरी विच इज़ बेस्ड ऑन कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट। क्वेश्चन 1, अकॉर्डिंग टू पियाजे, चिल्ड्रन थिंकिंग डिफर्स इन डैश फ्रॉम एडल्ट्स देन इन डैश: size, type, amount, kind, amount, size, correctness. Answer C, kind, amount is the right answer. Question 2, according to Piaget theory, which one out of the following will not influence one's cognitive development? Language, social experiences, maturation, activity. Answer A, language is the right answer. Question 3, in context of language development, which of the following areas was underestimated by Piaget? Heredity, social interaction, egocentric speech, active construction by the child. Answer C, egocentric speech is the right answer. Question 4, fitting new information into existing schemas is known as accommodation, equilibrium, assimilation, organization. Answer C, assimilation is the right answer. Stages of Piaget theory: sensory motor 0 to 2 years, pre-operational stage 2 to 7 years, concrete operational 7 to 11 years, formal operation stage 11 to 15 years. इसके बेस क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन 5, 4 distinct stages of children's intellectual development are identified by Erikson, Skinner, Piaget, Kohlberg. Answer C, Jean Piaget is the right answer. According to Piaget's theory, children learn by memorizing information by paying due attention, scaffolding provided by more able members of the society, process of adaptation, changing their behavior when offered appropriate awards. Answer C, process of adaptation is the right answer. Question 7, which of the following stages are involved when infants think with their eyes, ears and hands? Concrete operational stage, pre-operational stage, sensory motor stage, formal operational stage. Answer C, sensory motor stage is the right answer. Question 8, cognitive ability that comes in pre-operational period to hypothetical deductive thinking, ability for abstract thinking, ability of goal directed behavior, ability to take others' opinion. Answer C, ability of goal directed behavior is the right answer. Question 9, Piaget proposes that pre-operational children are unable to conserve. He attributes this inability to which one of the following factors? Irreversibility of thought, inability of hypothetical deductive reasoning, personal fable, lack of high-level abstract reasoning. Answer A is the right answer, irreversibility of thought. Question 10, retrieving hidden objects is evidence that infants have begun to master which of the following cognitive function? Intentional behavior, object permanence, problem solving, experimentation. Answer B, object permanence is the right answer. Second theory, Vygotsky believed that language develops from social interactions. Some important terms in Vygotsky theory: zone proximal development, more knowledgeable others, scaffolding, private speech, social interaction. Vygotsky में पहला question, while working on a jigsaw puzzle, 5-year-old Sujoy says to herself, where is the blue piece? No, not this one, darker one that would go here and make this show. This kind of talk is referred to by Vygotsky as scaffolding, egocentric speech, private speech, talk aloud. Answer C, private speech is the right answer. Question 12, giving cues to children and offering support as when needed is an example of scaffolding, modeling, reinforcement, conditioning. Scaffolding is the right answer. Question 13, zone of proximal development in Vygotsky theory is task too difficult to children but can be achieved through adults support themselves. Teachers' interference hamper learning. Development is a proximal zone of growth. Learning takes place in formal settings only. Answer A, task too difficult to children but can be achieved through adults support themselves is the right answer. Question 14 से पहले कोलबर्ग थ्योरी ने 3 लेवल दिए हैं, आर प्री कन्वेंशनल, कन्वेंशनल एंड पोस्ट कन्वेंशनल लेवल, जिसके अंडर 6 स्टेजेस हैं. स्टेजेस 6 स्टेजेस हैं: ओबीडियंस एंड पनिशमेंट, ओरिएंटेशन, इंडिविजुअलिज्म एंड एक्सचेंज, ओरिएंटेशन, ये कन्वेंशन प्री कन्वेंशनल लेवल में आएगा। इंटरपर्सनल इन रिलेशनशिप्स मेंटेनिंग द सोशल ऑर्डर, कन्वेंशनल लेवल में आएगा। और सोशल कंस्ट्रक्ट एंड इंडिविजुअल राइट्स, यूनिवर्सल इथिकल प्रिंसिपल, ये पोस्ट कन्वेंशनल लेवल में आएगा। Question 15. Children in primary schools follow which of the following stages are proposed by Lawrence Kohlberg? Obedience and punishment orientation, individualism and exchange, good interpersonal relationships, social construct and individual rights. A and C, A and D, B and D, B and A. Answer D. Both A and B is the right answer. Question 16. According to the pre-conventional level of Kohlberg's theory, to which of the following would an individual turn when making a moral decision? Personal needs and desires, individual values, family expectations, potential punishment involved. Answer D. Potential punishment involved in pre-conventional levels. Question 17. According to Kohlberg's, the thinking process involved in judgment about questions of right and wrong is called moral reasoning, moral realism, moral dilemma, morality, cooperation. Answer A. Moral reasoning is the right answer. Question 18. A child reasons, you do this for me, I will do that for you. In which stage of Kohlberg's moral reasoning would this child fall? The good boy and good girl orientation, the social construct orientation, the instrumental purpose orientation, the punishment and obedience orientation. Answer C. The instrumental purpose orientation is the right answer. Question 19. As a teacher, you firmly believe in saying no to ragging and bullying and up posters and form committees in schools. The young adolescent who join you with strong beliefs are at which of the following stages? The conventional level, pre-conventional level, the post-conventional level, social order maintaining level. Answer C. Post-conventional level is the right answer. Question 20. The fact that children require culturally relevant knowledge and skill is attributed to Pavlov, Skinner, Piaget, Lev Vygotsky. Answer D. Lev Vygotsky is the right answer. Thank you for watching.